Okay, here we are at 15880 Tacoma. Nice block, nice neighborhood. Let's go in and take a look. New front door. We come into the living room. Nice sized room. We still got to put the carpet down, but want to get things rolling here. Go into a bathroom. New vanity, new toilet, new floors, paint. This one's interesting. This used to be the third bedroom. Now it's kind of a walk-through. It would be a great office to this great big bedroom on the back of the house. Or I suppose you could use it as a family room too. Either way, it does have a closet. Here's the other bedroom. Right there. And then we go upstairs. Nice size room up here. Ceiling fan, a couple of closets. And then into the kitchen. Nice size kitchen, a little dining area. Brand new cabinets, countertop, faucet, whole thing. All the plumbing's been redone. Down the basement. This is a great basement. Here's the living side. A really nice bar in here. Over to the laundry side, storage. Utility sink, gas appliances. And that's it. 15580 Tacoma. Really pretty kitchen.